Evidence in this trial and in this case, and you think Amber Heard was the abuser, then I'm sorry to say you are a part of this societal structure of misogyny.
If you think Amber Heard is done dealing with her defamation trial against her ex-husband, then you better think twice. She's been milking this issue ever since the jury gave their verdict, and now even her fans have crossed the line. Reed and Greer, an obvious Amber stan, made a video of her claiming that she has an excellent breakdown of two amicus briefs. For you to understand what this is all about, you have to know that an amicus curiae means a friend of the court. These are written by individuals or groups who aren't involved with the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case in any way. They're simply interested in it, that's why they have a say on the entire thing. These writers are from organizations involved in domestic abuse and are heavy Amber supporters since day one. For Reedon, she is so proud of her idol for continuing to fight. The brief claims that there are so many problems in this trial. First, Amber fans are claiming that Johnny was lucky that the jury sided with him. It's a known fact that some of the jury members concluded that both Johnny and Amber abused each other during their marriage. Team Heard thinks that Amber wasn't able to prove that the abuse was physical. That's why the jury chose Johnny. They're saying that with all the texts and stuff presented during the trial, there's certainly so much proof that Amber is also a victim of emotional, psychological, and verbal forms of abuse from her ex. But wait, wasn't Amber also like this to Johnny? She kept calling him a useless old man, so why are they trying to pretend that she talked to him sweetly all the time? This person is trying to say that Amber can talk down on Johnny and it won't be abusive, and if Johnny does the same thing, he's a misogynist. Aside from that, her fans are hurt that the court rejected their request to explain what actually qualifies as abuse. That's why Johnny got his win. With that being said, they're claiming that the op-ed is not false because they didn't even define what abuse was. What a weird line to draw because it doesn't even make sense. Reedon talks more about how the op-ed wasn't defamatory at all because Amber didn't write it with malice. She said we wouldn't know how she felt when she wrote it, so how can she also declare what Amber felt that time? They're not even friends. Anyway, she proceeds to say that the entire thing isn't defamatory because Johnny already ruined his own name even before the op-ed got published. His worsening reputation was all on him, not because of his ex-wife's proven to be fake accusations. Those who have been keeping an eye on the trial find this far-reaching. One even said, "I forced myself to watch it all as I'm really interested in what the other side actually believes. I wish I could get those minutes back though." Anyone who knows law and actually followed the trial knows Amber has virtually no shot. TLDR, Reedon's basic premise is just believe anything Amber said and disbelieve anything Johnny claimed. The worst part is that Amber Heard herself consented to filing these reports, and you bet Johnny opposed all of them. Having all these arguments post-trial makes it feel like they don't care about what happened in court. They practically just wasted months of their lives. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.